Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're going to explore the vibrant city of Mumbai, a bustling metropolis that's a must-visit for any travel enthusiast. So, let's dive right in and see what Mumbai has to offer. First and foremost, Mumbai is known for its stunning landmarks. From the iconic Gateway of India to the breathtaking Elephanta Caves, there's no shortage of architectural marvels to marvel at. The city is also home to the world's largest slum, Dharavi, which offers a unique glimpse into the lives of its residents. Now, let's talk about the weather in Mumbai. While it's known for its monsoon season, which brings with it heavy rains and humidity, the rest of the year is quite pleasant, with temperatures ranging from 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. So, if you're planning a trip, make sure to pack accordingly. When it comes to accommodation, Mumbai has a wide range of options to suit every budget. From luxurious 5-star hotels to budget-friendly guest houses, you're sure to find a place that meets your needs. Now, let's talk about the culture and people of Mumbai. The city is a melting pot of cultures, with people from all over India and the world calling it home. The people are friendly and welcoming, and you'll find a rich mix of languages and dialects spoken here. Food is a big part of Mumbai's culture, and you'll find a variety of dishes to savor. From the spicy vada pav to the sweet and savory bel puri, there's something for everyone. And don't forget to try the street food, it's a must-do experience. When it comes to must-see attractions, Mumbai has no shortage. From the iconic Taj Mahal Palace Hotel to the vibrant Marine Drive, there's always something to explore. And for a fun and unique experience, why not try a Bollywood dance class or a street food tour? Finally, let's talk about the overall experience of visiting Mumbai. It's a city that never sleeps, with a vibrant nightlife and plenty of entertainment options. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for an unforgettable adventure, Mumbai has something for everyone. So, there you have it, a brief overview of what Mumbai has to offer for visitors. I hope this has inspired you to plan your next trip to this amazing city. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel tips and advice. Until next time, happy travels!